Okay guys, and we're just gonna click buy, and then we have bought it. See guys? I got that much. I get all of that. Coins. This guy, he gets 2 armor plates already. Okay, and a bonus effect adds 1 more active duty operator slot. That'd be nice. And you got this gun. This one. My name is whatever. Yeah. Agent TV. Nice, and that looks cool. And I'm gonna go to, because you already know, like, you already gotta buy him. Black Noir. It looks really cool. Oh, sorry guys, my arm's just getting tired. Yeah, we got the Black Noir skin. Nice. And we got, of course, his guns. Heard this guy's really good. But yeah, we have, I don't know, rich. See, look at that, all that. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Bye.